Recently, the roller shade on my door was starting to have some issues. It's worked flawlessly for a long time, but now I can't get it to roll up or down. The ball chain seems to get stuck on the gears when I move it in either direction. What I'm thinking is that the plastic teeth on the roller shade clutch has worn out, which makes the chain get stuck. So for this, the fix is to replace the roller clutch with a new one. And in this video, I'll show you how to replace it and where to order a new one. I was able to find an identical Rollease part which makes the repair easy. The first thing I'm going to do is take down the shade. It's possible that I could have left it up, but I think it's easier to do this clutch replacement on the floor. On this Rollease clutch, I need to squeeze the tabs on this clip to slip the main roll bar out of the gear wheel. It might be hard to get your fingers in there, but when you've done it right, it'll pop right out. And now just remove the screws to unmount the old clutch from the top rail. With this off, the gear is free and I can slip the ball chain off of it. On the new Rollease clutch, I'm going to squeeze the tabs to take out the back cylinder like I did on the old one. For this repair, I won't need it because I'm just going to use the old one that's already on the shade. The next step will be reattaching the chain. Just slip in the chain and make sure each bearing fits into a gear. At this point, just reattach the clutch to the top rail of the roller shade. And remember how I took out the center cylinder from the clutch? The reason why I didn't need it is because I'm just going to slip the old cylinder back on. And that's pretty much it. After the roller shade has been reinstalled, the chain movement is now really smooth. Oh, and I see that my cat knew that I was done and decided to jump down. So let's do this again. You can see that my shade is now rolling up and down with no problem. And if you happen to need to replace your roller shade clutch, I've listed the parts in the description to make it easy for you to find. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this.